2015 F-250 with a 6.2 liter gas engine. Starter removal. If you haven't removed the starter before, chances are this is not the video for me. If you guys are new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications, throw me a thumbs up, and leave a question or comment below so that way I know who you are. Well, good Monday evening, everybody. Doing a little cleanup tonight. Wind got chilly all of a sudden. I had to go find my coat. Still waiting on Steve to go. He's coming to get that butcher cow. Guy runs his ass, so I ain't complain too much. I got plenty of stuff to do around the farm while he shows up, but I'm not the guy that's gonna point at the cow and walk the other way. I jump in and lend a hand. Get in there and get after it. Fuck it. So I had that brush up in the yard up there. I'll walk up there later, show you what I was doing. I was cleaning that shit up. Depending on how a Wednesday night goes, maybe we have another Wednesday night campfire that I can't fucking get to go. Just kidding, it's supposed to rain, so it sucks to be you guys. You won't be able to see my fire starting skills, or lack thereof. Since we're out here, Evan Kibbe was giving me advice on putting in fence posts, corner posts with disc sections on the bottom. Just so happens I have this old Oliver disc that's gonna get cut apart, because you can see she's Bob ran this thing into the freaking ground. I think there's one section that isn't busted up bad, and that one, maybe two. There might be two sections that aren't terrible. So if there's two sections, I'll cut it down and make it like a food plot disc or whatever, but the rest of the framework and hydraulic cylinder and all that stuff is going to get repurposed. Because you know me. Hell, I made a grapple bucket out of a plow. If you didn't see that, check that one out. Pop a link up above, hopefully, maybe. I don't know. Depends on if I feel like it when I'm editing the fucking video. You don't get a link, go look for it. There's only like 500 videos to look through. You'll figure it out. Just watch them all. You'll figure out eventually. But yeah, we're gonna make some stuff out of that. I like this this heavy C channel that we got here. Gusset plates, C channel that's welded in the tube channel, or square tubing, I should say. So we got plenty of options. Angle iron, a lot of good steel on this thing. There ain't much of this sucker that's gonna go to waste, I can tell you that. The best part is now Squatch 253 can't scream at me about not painting it. If anybody thinks that I'm slacking and fucking around, well, that's Wednesday night. But I gotta haul ass until 8 p.m. and then I usually gotta do shit afterwards, even though you're fucking half in the bag and acting like an idiot for 3 hours. But whatever, it doesn't matter. One of these days I'll learn self-control and I'll cut the son of a bitch off after 2 hours. Let me know how that works for you, right? Alright, we'll get to work here in a little bit. Well, as you may know, go back and do it again. Alright, as you can see over here. Hey, turn your fucking head when I tell you, would you? Hey. Don't be all like, eh. Don't do that. Super Dirty's in the shop. I know a couple of you are like, Rick, did you drive that in here while you were drinking beer? I'm just as surprised as you are. I didn't even hit anything on the way in. What are you talking about? Yes, I drove it in here while I was drinking beer. Look at him. All right. Maybe this should just go to an unedited members video, huh? Fuck it. As many of you may know, I've had some starter issues with this frickin' thing. Plus, as you very well may know, you haven't watched my channel before and you're not keeping up. The starter doesn't always work on a fucking thing. And this weekend I have to go to Shane's to get some damn pigs. Because I'm an idiot. So, we're going to tear the starter out of it. We're also going to put brake pads in it because I didn't do that a couple weeks ago either when I was going to. And we got to change oil on it. Hang on. Okay, so chances are if you haven't removed the starter before, this is not the video for you. Start by, obviously, opening the fucking hood. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. Or positive, whatever the fuck you want to do, I don't care. It's up to you. I pick negative. Because I'm a negative person. Get over here. If you guys want any tips on making YouTube videos, make them while you're drunk and edit them while you're sober. Perfect. You'll get to at least 1,700 subscribers and stall the fuck out from there. Okay, back to the truck. I'm kind of fat for that. Tell you what, my Budweiser belly doesn't fit in very well underneath them goddamn running boards, but we're gonna do it anyway. And just so you know, when you disconnect your battery, you're gonna lose all your presets on your radio. I only have one B105, just so you know, Ken. It's only one, buddy. I'm telling you right now. I'm gonna send you a link because I don't think you watch my YouTube channel because I'm kind of a jackass anyway, and you're kind of an upstanding fellow. But I'm gonna send you a link anyway, Ken. So hey, here's to you, buddy. I watch your morning show for 6 minutes on my way to work every morning, guaranteed, guaranteed. We gotta drink beer again sometime. All right. Shit. All right, so now we're underneath the truck. For those of you, there's the right front tire, wheel, brakes that we're gonna do later. Right there, right there. For those of you that weren't conceived normally, that is the starter. That's the positive terminal, that's the kicker wire, fucking, there's the negative wire. All that garbage has to come out of here. It looks like it's a little muddy from a couple of years ago getting stuck in the fucking driveway. Well, check out that video. Dragging the Super Duty around with a skidder. Minty. So, we figure out, I'll get dirt in your fucking eye, Rick. Yeah. Pretty sure that's a 10 millimeter. That's going to be a 13 millimeter. That's going to be a 13 millimeter. We're going to get this motherfucker out of here in a minute. If you have not removed a starter from a vehicle before, chances are this video is not for you. You are missing a chromosome and have not drank enough beer yet tonight. See that? It was like Chris Farley. I'm like a fucking ninja. First step in removing a starter in your own garage is to drink beer. Hey, Ratchet. $13, $10. We might need this rat. No, fucking we ain't gonna need that one. Where is it? We might need this one. That's kind of a different little hobo freight tool right there. 1/4 inch ratchet on that end. 3/8 ratchet on that end. A little flex action going on. Oh yeah. That's not the one I was looking for. Oh no, that one's at work. I need to buy another one for the shop. Hey babe, since I know you're going to be watching this, I need to buy another ratchet so I can have it in the shop. I know you're okay with it because you're a good woman and shit, so we're good. We're good. Got that one. I got that one in the pit pocket. In the pit pocket. Huh? I don't have my other flex head ratchet here. All right. Well, it's about 9:15 p.m. I haven't eaten any supper yet, and I'm pretty sure Katie has it ready. I have the positive wire, the kicker wire. I call it a kicker wire, whatever the fuck you call it, I don't care. Positive wire, kicker wire, and ground wire disconnected from the starter. I am going to go in the house, and I'm pretty sure Katie has some supper waiting for me. So, I should probably eat. Because, hey, I need something to metabolize all the fucking alcohol. Right? Alright. So after I eat some din din, feed my belly, I will come back and see if we can't jerk the stupid starter out, right? But while I'm gone, we'll turn the damn heater off. We'll turn the torpedo heater off so I don't burn the fucking shop down. I mean, just in case. Just in case. You know. B-double-E-double-R-U-N, you fucking right I am. Alright. Catch up with you in a minute. Okay, well, need a light. Vacation. Forgot to grab another beer when I came back out here. Fuck. So, we better get this shit done before I start sobering up or it's really gonna suck. It'll be like my fucking day job. We can't have that. Alright. Well, you can see I wasn't bullshitting you. I actually got the starter wires off. Positive, kicker, ground, etc., etc., etc. So, let's get the light in position here. Jesus Christ. Come on! Work with me. There we go. Look at that. That's schmancy. 20 volt setup. Mint. So I'll take that son of a job. What do we got here? There we go. Get this one. Oh yeah. Get you some. Yeah, we'll get this fancy fucking Hobo Freight son of a bitch in here. Because it's low clearance and all that garbage. We'll get her. Oh yeah, come on, give her. Give her. Oh! That was a knuckle buster right there. But I didn't. I didn't. Alright, so there's not much to see until we get the damn starter out. And then we'll go from there. Capiche? Alright. Starter is on the bench. Now the problem with this starter is it doesn't always engage. That starter here doesn't always want to come forward. So, question is it the solenoid that's getting weak, or is it a pivot point that's actually getting dried out? I think it's a pivot point that's getting dried out. So tore the solenoid off the starter. A couple of things here. You see we have a little dirt contamination in there. Yeah, it's been swamped. Whatever. Whether it was from me in the driveway or from the previous owner, I bought it used, so. But you can hear this. The engagement is not so smooth either. So, well, everybody's like, what are you going to do, Rick? Well, we're going to give her a little Luberschnitz. Justice Brothers, number 80. Mint. Give her. So, we got there's a couple of pivot points here, a couple of slide points. That one. If I can stand that solenoid up with one hand. Oh, look at that. Skills tonight. There we go. Oh, she's going to be hitting. It's going to be a crisp starter when we're done right there. I'll tell you what. Now, how's that starter gear looking? Not too bad, considering it's banged a few times. Of course, probably took it out of my ring gear. Whatever. We're not going to split hairs. Right? You don't need to worry about that shit. So, now we can put the solenoid back on, right? Good enough. We got that little rubber boot. Little fucker goes over the end like that. It's supposed to keep dirt out of there. I'm not sure that it does. Still squeaks a little bit. Hey, give her. Faster, Rick, faster! All right. So now you can see the little fork that's in there. That needs to hook into these little grooves. If you don't get that hooked in there, when that pulls, it's not going to engage a damn starter. So we'll do that. And you kind of make sure by sliding that thing back and forth on the studs, like that, that it's engaged. See that number? Mint. We'll go ahead. Put the schnutz on there. Now I gotta put the drive motor wire back on. That's not even an eyelet on this thing. It's just a braided. The end is just braided. It's kind of weird. Whatever. Don't matter, right? Hold her down. I think we're good to go. Plus my battery's going to die, so that's my indicator to call her a night. I hope everyone's having a great night. Like, subscribe, comment, all that happy garbage. Join as a member if you'd like. $4.99, $9.99, $24.99. All of that stuff. Hell, try it out. You never know. We might have some cool member perks for you coming here shortly. I'm going to go inside. Chase Katie around the house for a little bit. Well, you never know. We'll be back out here in the morning. Maybe we'll do a little bit before I go to work. Either way, I'm taking Katie's truck. We'll see you guys again next time.